Hi there, welcome to the King Tutorial class. The last class looked at the introduction to fraction, where we solved those 4 questions under fraction. In today's class, we'll continue from where we stopped. Now, this question here I have with me. Which fraction is greater, 2 over 5 or 4 over 13? 2 over 5 or 4 over 13. Now, how do you solve this question? To know which is greater, the idea is what? Get the LCM. If they are more than 2, so get the LCM. Then multiply different LCM by the different questions like that. Something like, for this now, 2 over 5 times 13 over what? 13. That's 13 times 13. Something like that. And also, we're comparing it with 4 over 13 times 5 times what? 5. Okay? Or just put the calculator. This over this, whatever you get. This over this, whatever you get. The decimal that is bigger is the answer. Abi? So if you look for the smaller one also, the decimal that is smaller is what? Is the answer. Or you can do like this also. 2 times 13 is what? 26 over what? 65. We also have what? This is what? 20 over what? 65. Now looking at this is 26 over 65. This is what? 20 over 65. In these two of them, 26 over 65 is bigger than 20 over what? 65. So it means this is greater than what? This. Therefore, 2 over 5 is what? Is the answer if we are looking for the greater one. Okay. Now that's for that. Now number 2, we're going to simplify. 1 on number 5 over 8 plus 1 on number 3 over 5 divided by what? 43 over 8. Now the idea to solve this question is this. Use board mass. First thing is what? Bracket. Attach to the bracket. After attaching to the bracket, then I'll bring it out to make this one. So in this case, all we'll go to have this becomes what? 8, 13. Starts 13 over 8 plus this is 5, this is 8 over 5 divided by what? 43 over 8. Multiply out through, find the LCM. LCM is what? Most likely 40. So in this case, what do we have? We have 40 as the LCM. 40 here is what? 5. 5 times 13 gives us what? 65. Plus 40 here what? Is 8. 8 times 8 is what? 64. Divided by what? 43 over 8. Now, what do we now have then? This now becomes what? 129 over 40. Divided by what? 43 over 8. From there, we have this as what? 129 over 40 times what? 8 over what? 43. Which gives us what? Our answer will be what? 3 over 5. If you do it very well. That will be our answer. Our answer will be what? 3 over 5. Now, last question. We have what? 3 over 5 of a class of 40 students. This is like Venn diagram. 3 over 5 of a class of 40 students. Number of students, that's number of universal set is what? Is 40. 3 over 5 of them studies what? History. Number of history is what? 3 over 5 times what? 40. And then we have 3 over 4 of geography. Number of those that studies geography is what? 3 over 4 of 40 of the total. Every student studies at least one of the subjects. First question is, how many students study both subjects? So that's number of what? H and G. Okay, so first let's get this one. This becomes what? This is 8. This is 10. So 3 times this is what? Is 24. 3 times 10 is what? Is 30. Now, number of H and G is what? Number of H plus what? Number of G minus number of what? H and G. This will be number of H union G, which will represent our universal set. Okay, so in which case, what do I have? I have this as 40 equals what? 24 plus what? 30 minus what? X. Let's call this X. That's 40 equals what? 54 minus x. It means my x is what? 54 minus what? 40. Leave my answer to be what? 14. So it means those that study both of them, which is this, which is my x is what? Is 14. And that is all for that.